Imagine using the sun's energy to power your home. It's a clean, renewable source of energy that can significantly reduce your electricity bills and carbon footprint. It's possible with solar panels. These panels are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into usable electricity for your home. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity through a process called the photovoltaic effect. This means that when sunlight hits the panels, it generates an electric current. This electricity can power your lights, appliances, and more. Imagine running your refrigerator, washing machine, and even your air conditioning using the power of the sun. There are two main types of solar systems: on-grid and off-grid. Each has its own set of advantages and is suited for different needs. On-grid systems are connected to the regular electricity grid. This means that any excess electricity generated can be fed back into the grid, often earning you credits or reducing your electricity bill. Off-grid systems are not connected to the grid. They are ideal for remote locations where connecting to the grid is not feasible, or for those who prefer complete energy independence. They use batteries to store energy. These batteries ensure that you have a continuous power supply, even when the sun isn't shining, like during the night or on cloudy days. Choosing between on-grid and off-grid depends on your needs and priorities. Consider factors like your location, energy consumption, and whether you want to be completely independent from the grid. Let's explore the pros and cons of each. On-grid systems are generally less expensive and can provide a backup power source, while off-grid systems offer complete independence and can be more reliable in remote areas.
On-grid solar systems are popular. They are widely adopted in both urban and suburban areas due to their efficiency and cost-effectiveness. They are often easier and less expensive to install than off-grid systems. The installation process is straightforward, involving mounting the panels, connecting them to an inverter, and linking the system to the grid. One big advantage is something called net metering. This system allows homeowners to balance their energy consumption and production efficiently. When your solar panels produce more electricity than you need, you can send the extra power back to the grid. This not only helps in reducing your electricity costs, but also supports the community by contributing to the overall energy supply. You get credits for this extra energy, which can lower your electricity bill. These credits can accumulate over time, providing significant savings, especially during sunny months when solar production is at its peak.
However, on-grid solar has limitations. Despite its many benefits, it is not a perfect solution for all energy needs. If the grid goes down, so does your solar power. This is because on-grid systems are designed to shut down during outages to prevent backfeeding electricity, which can be dangerous for utility workers. You'll be in the dark just like everyone else. This can be a significant drawback, especially in areas prone to frequent power outages. Also, you are still somewhat dependent on the electric company. While you can reduce your reliance, complete independence is not achievable with an on-grid system. This dependency means you are still subject to utility rates and policies, which can change over time.
Off-grid solar systems offer true energy independence. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your energy needs are met by the sun. No more worrying about rising electricity bills or unexpected power outages. You are not reliant on the grid at all. This means you have complete control over your energy production and consumption. You can live in remote areas without sacrificing modern conveniences. This means if there's a power outage, you're good to go. While others scramble for candles and flashlights, your home remains a beacon of light and comfort. You have your own power source. This self-sufficiency is not just practical, but also empowering. It gives you peace of mind knowing that you are prepared for any situation.
Off-grid living is great for people who want to reduce their environmental impact. By harnessing the power of the sun, you are making a significant contribution to a cleaner, greener planet. You are not relying on fossil fuels to generate electricity. This means fewer carbon emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. Combining solar panels with wind turbines can further enhance your energy independence. Plus, you're prepared for emergencies. Whether it's a storm or a natural disaster, your solar power system ensures that you have a reliable source of energy.
But off-grid solar is more expensive up front. The initial investment can be daunting, but it's important to consider the long-term savings and benefits. You need to buy batteries to store your energy. These batteries are crucial for ensuring that you have power even when the sun isn't shining. You also need to be careful about your energy usage. Monitoring your consumption helps you make the most of your solar power system. You can't just use as much electricity as you want, whenever you want. Being mindful of your energy habits is key to maintaining a sustainable off-grid lifestyle.
Section 4. Which solar system is right for you? So, on-grid or off-grid? The best choice really depends on your situation. Do you live in a sunny area with a reliable power grid? On-grid might be a good option. Want to live completely off the grid, maybe in a remote area? Off-grid could be the way to go. Think about your budget too. Off-grid requires a larger investment up front, but you'll save money on electricity bills in the long run.
Section 5. The future is bright for solar. Solar energy is becoming more and more popular. The technology is improving and the costs are coming down.
In the future, we'll see even more efficient solar panels. We might even have solar shingles that look just like regular roof shingles.
Whether you choose on-grid or off-grid, solar energy is a smart choice. It's good for the planet and good for your wallet.